Blackout Bingo can drain your phone battery faster when the game keeps the screen active, uses network connections, or continues processing graphics during gameplay. So the first fix is to identify whether the drain happens only while playing or continues after you close the app. By the end, you'll know which Blackout Bingo and phone settings to check before changing anything that could affect your account. Start by checking whether Blackout Bingo is actually responsible for the battery drain. On iPhone, open Settings, select Battery, and review the app activity shown there. On Android, open Settings, select Battery, then look for battery usage or a similar option. If Blackout Bingo is using a large share of your recent battery activity, continue with the app-specific checks. First, close Blackout Bingo when you are finished playing. If the battery continues dropping quickly after the app is closed, check whether another application is responsible, instead of assuming the game is the cause. Next, lower your screen brightness while playing. The display can be one of the biggest sources of battery consumption on a phone, especially during a long gaming session. Using automatic brightness or a lower manual brightness can reduce the amount of power required by the screen. You can also enable your phone's battery saving mode when you do not need maximum performance. Battery saver on Android and low power mode on iPhone can limit certain background activities and reduce power consumption. Check your connection as well. If Blackout Bingo is repeatedly struggling with an unstable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection, the phone may spend additional power maintaining network activity. Try a stable Wi-Fi connection and compare the battery behavior. Keep Blackout Bingo updated through the App Store or Google Play. App updates can include performance improvements and fixes for problems that cause excessive resource usage. Also, check whether your phone is getting unusually warm while Blackout Bingo is running. Heat and rapid battery loss together can indicate that the device is working harder than normal. If the phone becomes excessively hot, stop playing and allow it to cool before continuing. Do not immediately uninstall Blackout Bingo just because the battery drains during gameplay. Gaming naturally uses more processing power and screen time than many basic apps. The more useful test is whether the battery drain remains unusually high after you stop playing. If Blackout Bingo consistently shows unusually high battery usage, even when you are barely using it, contact the game's support team and report the issue. Include your phone model, operating system version, Blackout Bingo version if available, and battery usage information from your device. The main checks are Blackout Bingo's battery usage, screen brightness, battery saving mode, network connection, and app version. Check those before reinstalling the game. If the phone continues draining rapidly after Blackout Bingo is closed, investigate overall device battery usage instead of focusing only on the game. Like this video and subscribe for more Blackout Bingo fixes.